Okay, this is one of the questions that I gave to my student for the quiz 4. Okay, and then one of the chapter, one of the topic in that quiz is cost volume profit analysis. So let us read the scenario and the question first together. The budgeted income statement presented below is for Griffith Corporation for the coming fiscal year. If Griffith Corporation is able to achieve the budgeted level of sales, its margin of safety in dollars would be margin of safety in dollars. As you might remember, margin of safety means the the difference between the budgeted sales and break-even sales. Yeah. So let us write the definition of margin of safety. So margin of safety in dollars, yeah, in dollars, or yes, margin of safety in dollars equals to budgeted sales, yeah, budgeted sales minus break-even sales. Okay. In this scenario, they already gave you the budgeted sales 1 million. So you can write here $1 million minus budgeted sales. We still do not know how much is the break-even sales. So now we still don't know the how much is the break-even sales. So firstly, we need to calculate the break-even sales. Okay, the break-even sales equals to fixed cost divided with contribution margin ratio. Okay, fixed costs here, there are two things, 100,000 and then 110,000. So the fixed cost is 210. Okay, and how about contribution margin ratio? We still don't know, so we need to calculate. So for the contribution margin ratio, okay, we go to here for the contribution margin ratio. The contribution margin ratio equals to contribution margin divided with the sales. Yeah. Okay, the contribution margin is sales minus variable cost divided with the sales. Okay, the sales is 1 million, and variable costs are direct materials, direct labor, and then variable factory overhead and variable marketing cost. So we need to sum them up together. Okay, let me open my calculator first, and you also can use your calculator. So we calculate together. Wait a minute, please. So the variable costs are direct materials 270 plus direct labor 240, and then variable factory overhead 150, and then variable marketing cost 50. So in total it is wait, I made wrong. 270 plus 240 plus 150 plus 50 equals to 710. Okay, 710,000 then divided with 1 million, yeah. Okay, so 1 million minus 710,000. We got 290,000 divided with 1 million. 290,000 divided with 1 million. Okay, it is 0.29. Okay, CMR is 0.29, so you put it here, so it is 0.29. Okay, so break-even sales is 210,000 divided with 0.29. Okay, it is 7724138. Okay, so you move this number into this. Okay, so you write here 724,138. So equals to, okay, equals to equals to 275,862. Okay, so the answer is, the final answer is this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, the final answer is 275,862. So basically, the formula to calculate margin of safety in dollars is budgeted sales minus break-even sales, because you don't know the break-even sales, so you need to calculate the break-even sales. And then break-even sales equals to fixed cost divided with contribution margin ratio. And then you don't know the exact number of contribution margin ratio, so you need to calculate. Okay, after you get the figure of contribution margin ratio, you just put into the calculation, and then you got break-even sales, and then this break-even. So, and then after that you go back to the beginning step. Okay, you input the break-even sales into the calculation, so you got 275,862 of margin of safety. Okay, so that is all. I really hope that you understand the explanation. It is not hard to finish it, but you just need to memorize or remember some formulas. Okay, this is the question of quiz for the students, so I need to give them a little bit complicated problem. So thank you for your attention. See you in